Ever feel like your bills are just multiplying? Like tiny financial gremlins are secretly adding a few naira here and a few naira there, leaving you scratching your head at the end of the month wondering where all your money vanished to? You're not alone. In today's world, with subscriptions for everything from streaming services to fitness apps, keeping track of our outgoings can feel like a full-time job. And that's where apps like Rocket Money swoop in, promising to be your financial superhero, ready to slash those unnecessary expenses and put money back in your pocket. But the big question, the one we're all really thinking, is, can it actually do that? Is Rocket Money the real deal, or just another shiny app making big promises it can't keep? That's exactly what we're going to dive deep into today. We'll explore what Rocket Money is, how it works, the features it boasts, and most importantly, whether it truly lives up to the hype of saving you money on your bills. First things first, let's understand what we're dealing with. Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, positions itself as a personal finance app designed to help you manage your money more effectively. Its core function, the one we're most interested in today, is identifying and helping you cancel unwanted subscriptions. Think about it. How many times have you signed up for a free trial, forgotten about it, and then been hit with a recurring charge months later? Or maybe you're still paying for a streaming service you haven't used in ages. These little expenses can really add up over time, silently draining your bank account. Rocket Money connects to your financial accounts, your bank accounts and credit cards, to get a clear overview of your spending. It then analyzes your transactions to identify recurring subscriptions. This is where the magic, supposedly, happens. The app presents you with a list of these subscriptions, often categorizing them and showing you how much you're spending on each one monthly and annually. Seeing these numbers laid out in black and white can be quite eye-opening. It forces you to confront those, "Oh, I should probably cancel that" thoughts that usually just float around in your head. Once Rocket Money identifies a subscription you want to get rid of, it offers a couple of options. For some services, it provides a one-click cancellation feature, handling the process directly through the app. For others, where direct cancellation isn't possible, Rocket Money offers to act as your negotiator. This is a key feature that sets it apart. For a fee, more on that later, they will contact the service provider on your behalf and attempt to cancel the subscription for you. This can be particularly helpful for those awkward or time-consuming cancellation processes that many of us tend to put off. Beyond subscription cancellation, Rocket Money offers a range of other features aimed at helping you manage your finances. These often include budgeting tools, where you can set spending limits for different categories, bill negotiation services, where they try to lower your existing bills like internet or phone, and even savings account options. While these features are valuable, our primary focus today is on its ability to save you money on bills, particularly through subscription management. So, does it actually work? The answer, like with most things in life, isn't a simple yes or no. It depends on a few factors, most importantly, your spending habits. If you're someone who has accumulated a number of unused or forgotten subscriptions, then Rocket Money can definitely save you money. Imagine discovering you're paying for 3 different streaming services when you only actively watch one, or realizing that free trial from 6 months ago is still charging you monthly. In these scenarios, Rocket Money acts as a powerful tool to identify and eliminate these financial leaks. The convenience factor is also a significant benefit. Let's be honest, who enjoys spending time navigating complicated cancellation processes or sitting on hold with customer service? Rocket Money streamlines this, either allowing you to cancel with a tap or taking on the burden of negotiation for you. This time-saving aspect can be well worth the fee for some users. However, it's crucial to be realistic about the potential savings. If you're already meticulous about tracking your subscriptions and actively cancel anything you're not using, then Rocket Money's subscription cancellation feature might not offer significant additional savings. In this case, the app's other budgeting and tracking features might be more valuable. Now, let's talk about the cost. While Rocket Money offers a free version with basic features like expense tracking and budgeting, the subscription cancellation and bill negotiation services often come with a fee. This fee is typically a percentage of the savings they achieve for you. For subscription cancellations handled by Rocket Money, they usually charge a success fee, meaning you only pay if they successfully cancel the subscription. The exact percentage can vary, so it's important to understand their fee structure before utilizing these services. For bill negotiation, the fee is also usually a percentage of the savings they secure for you on your recurring bills. While the prospect of saving money is attractive, you need to weigh the potential savings against the cost of the service. If Rocket Money manages to lower your internet bill by a significant amount, then their fee might be a worthwhile investment. However, if the savings are minimal, the fee might negate a large portion of that benefit. It's also important to consider the level of control you're comfortable with. When you give Rocket Money access to your financial accounts, you're entrusting them with sensitive information. While they emphasize security and data protection, it's a factor every user should consider. Understanding their privacy policy and security measures is crucial before linking your accounts. Furthermore, while Rocket Money can identify and help cancel subscriptions, it's not a magic bullet for all your financial woes. It won't suddenly make you spend less if you're still overspending in other areas. It's a tool that can be incredibly helpful in managing recurring expenses, but it works best when used in conjunction with conscious spending habits and a broader understanding of your financial situation. Think of it like this: Rocket Money can help you plug the holes in your financial bucket caused by forgotten subscriptions, but it can't stop you from pouring more water in if you're not mindful of your overall spending. So, to circle back to our initial question, can Rocket Money really save you money on bills? The answer is a qualified yes. It has the potential to save you money, particularly if you have a number of dormant subscriptions lurking in your accounts. Its convenience and negotiation services can also be valuable assets. However, the actual amount you save will depend on your individual circumstances, and you need to factor in the fees associated with some of its premium features. Ultimately, Rocket Money is a tool. Like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how you use it. If you're looking for a way to get a handle on your recurring expenses, identify and eliminate unwanted subscriptions, and potentially lower some of your bills, then Rocket Money is definitely worth exploring. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.